everyone, welcome back to my channel Unboxing Smiles. I know this is a long time we have seen each other. Oh my gosh, I was dying to meet you all people, but I don't know, somehow or the other it just got missed and I just can't film any video. Though I felt I had so many contents in my mind, but yep, nothing came out. So but after seeing one of the recently which I bought, I just fell in love with that product and I thought I have to review that product with you people so that you lovely people also know how wonderful that product is and you all can use it. Give it a try and let me know how you all feel after using that product. So yes, I am talking about a product from a brand named The Mom's Co. So this is the product, The Mom's Co face wash. I have never tried this product before, but once I use this product, this is the very first bottle of mine, and once I used this product, I just fell in love with this product and oh my gosh, amazing product in this summer. So yes, without any further ado, now let's just start with a review, right? Okay, so this is the product. This is the outer packaging of the product. This is a sturdy box kind of packaging, and inside is the product. So yes, this is the product. It's a decent pump shaped bottle, and this is the lock which is over here, which we can open it in this way. Okay, so this is the lock which is used over here. This is an amazing thing which I haven't seen in any other bottles. Particularly I have never seen this kind of lock, but this in this product there is this lock which helps to ensure that the product doesn't come out. Once you have put in this thing, the product will not just come out. So yes, spill proof. So once I remove this lock, the product is just ready to be used. So yes, so the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Face Wash comes with vitamin C, B3, B5 and hyaluronic 100 ml product which costs you rupees 348. It's not that costly, right? It's not that expensive. It is affordable and the quality of this face wash is just amazing. So gradually I'll come to you. I'll say you everything about what the product claims and what is my take on this product. So yes, now what the product claims, the very first point is that it will gently clean and hydrate your face with olive oil based cleansers. The second point is that it will reduce skin pigmentation and shield your face from any kind of pollution. Thirdly, this product claims that it will help to fight the uneven skin tone and fine lines with the help of vitamin B3 which it contains. Fourthly, the product claims that this product is great for all skin tone, starting from oily skin to acne prone skin. It works amazing for all types of skin tone. So yes, because it contains a witch hazel extract which is a natural astringent. The product replenishes lost moisture with the help of hyaluronic acid which it contains. So lastly, the amazing thing about this product is that it is cruelty free product and it doesn't contain any kind of mineral oil, parabens, sulfates. So it is just free from any kind of potentially harmful chemicals. So yes, just amazing one. So now the key ingredients of this product are overwhelmingly enriching to have soft, glowing and hydrated skin. The very first ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is an amazing one. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful moisture binding ingredient that helps to keep your skin plump and hydrated and soft, and of course it reduces the fine lines and wrinkles. So yes, and also it works wonders for acne scars. Secondly, the product contains vitamin C, which is which has an antioxidant property which helps to fight free radicals and damage caused by UV radiation. It also stimulates collagen production to reduce skin aging. Third ingredient of this product is vitamin B3, which is also known as niacinamide, which is great, which proves great for all skin types, from oily to dry to redness prone skin tone. And it also reduces uneven skin tone and fine lines. So the fourth and the final ingredient, you may say, of this product is witch hazel extract, which helps to control the reduction of inflammation and lessen bacteria growth in the skin and speeds up healing of scars and infection in oily and acne prone skin tone due to its astringent property. So now my take on this product is that there are 4 points to it. The very first point is that its packaging. So the product packaging is amazing, having this decent packaging and spill proof pumping system, which have this lock which I told you already. So yes, and everything, like literally everything is written over here. What are the ingredients and how you have to use it. So yes, so I love this packaging, first of all. Secondly is the consistency. The consistency is not at all thick. It is having a runny consistency. You have to take 3 to 4 pumps of this product onto your palm and just rub it off. There will be a mild foam. The foam is also not much. It is a very mild foam, and you have to just massage it onto your skin. And after that, you have to just wash off your face with water. And the fragrance is also very mild, which will not get on your nerves. It is not at all strong. It is very mild. So thirdly, the thing which I like is that it is cruelty free product, and it is free from any kind of mineral oil, paraben, sulfate, any kind of potentially harmful chemicals. It is free from that. So which is very which works wonder for our skin. So yes, it is very gentle on our skin. So yes, and fourthly, about the contents, the rich ingredients which it have, which helps to like soothe our skin, which gives a supple and plumpy effect to our skin, which I really love. So yes, and it's very much affordable, I think, because because the other brands are really costly. So this comes for only 348 rupees, 100 ml product. So if I have to rate this product on 5, I think I'll give it 5 out of 5, because there is no point which I can cut. Amazing one. So yes, 5 out of 5. Amazing product. You should give a try to this product. Yes, if you love this review of mine, do hit that like button, and also don't forget to share this video with everyone, literally everyone. Yes, your friends, your family, your relatives, your boyfriend, girlfriend, everyone. Yes. Did I mention sister? Yes, sister and brothers too. So yes, do share it with everyone, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel if you haven't done yet. Come on guys, do subscribe to this channel, and also hit that bell icon, ghanti baja dena, okay? So do hit that bell icon so that once I upload my video, any kind of video, you will just get an immediate notification on your mobile. So yes, so that you can watch it immediately. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. And yes, keep smiling and keep sharing love and no hatred, okay? Bye-bye. See you on my next video.